Hello Fit for Lifers, today I'm here to talk to you about tracking. The purpose of this is for you to give us data so that we can understand what's going on with both your food and your weight and your measurements, and so that we can give you some more specific advice and guidance on what changes maybe to make along the way. So often people come to us asking for advice and we're not sure what's happening on the scales. We're not sure what food is going in and out of their body. So it's really important, if we have this data, we can give you much better advice. It starts with your phone and tracking your food. We use an app called MyFitnessPal. The purpose of this is for you to learn about what's going in and out of your body. We want you to send us a screenshot at the end of each week. The video below tells you about MyFitnessPal, how to utilize it and how to use it best. We want that screenshot again so that we understand what's happening. You'll also learn a lot. You'll learn about what foods help you with your protein target. You'll learn about what foods maybe are denser in calories or not as dense in calories, and so will support you along your journey. The next step is the scales. We would like you on the scales each day. This paired with the phone, we understand, can become a bit obsessive and over the top. That's not the point of this. This is purely for data. If you're happy to do it, brilliant. If you don't want to do it, that's absolutely fine. We will support you along the way and as best we can. We want you to get on there each day, and with the screenshot that you send from MyFitnessPal, we also want you to send the weights that you wear each week. We would look at the general week, the average trend, and what was happening. And that's just more data that we can pair these two together then to understand what impact your calories are having on your weight and how it's maybe changing. The final stage is measuring yourself. When it comes to measuring yourself, there's a few basic measurements below. There's a form literally below this video. Just work your way through that. Okay, work your way through and make sure that you're doing it the same each week. That's the only rules with it. Measure the same point every single week in exactly the same manner, and we'll get consistent, reliable results. Again, it's just more of an understanding for us to see how your body's changing. My main point to make at the end of this video is we don't want you to become obsessed with it. That's not the point of us doing this. The point of us doing this is for us to have data to understand what changes are happening within your body. If you do feel like you're becoming obsessed or you just want to have a chat about it, just get in touch with us. We want you to learn from this experience ultimately and get a lot out of it. And we believe that this is one way of doing that. If you've got any questions, get in touch. I hope that makes sense. I'll speak to you soon. Stay fit for life.